What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. There's a lot of good news breaking out that we're going to cover today. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated on all the breaking news as soon as it drops. Also, be sure to like this video. Let's try to get this video past 800 likes. And don't forget to drop a comment for the YouTube algorithm. Are you buying SoFi at these price ranges? What are your price target? I want to hear it. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I possibly can. Let's get into the video. So I made a video yesterday of the last day of September, and I said yesterday was a great time to buy. There was a lot of fear, a lot of weakness on the greed and fear chart. We can see here all of the indexes are green today, and SoFi finished up 3.5% today, and a little bit of green in the after hour. So yesterday, if we take a look at the 5-day chart, a great time to be buying, guys, on Thursday. You know, we got dips around 1550 to 1560 yesterday. Those were great buying opportunities when you talk about the upside potential with SoFi right now. And guys, some very important news that I'm sure you're aware of. You know, the SPAC king, Chamath, has sold his Tesla position, but understand, he needed capital to get into these new plays, and that's exactly what he did. We can see here Chamath has brought 12 SPACs, including the pipe deals, you know, into the market for 2020 and 2021. We need to find out what the best opportunity out of these 12 companies are. We can see here the pipe deals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the pipe deals. He's not all in on these companies. We want to go up to the SPACs that he brought to market himself. And we know that he sold out of Virgin Galactic. IPOF does not have a target yet. IPOD does not have a target. Clover Health has been in significant trouble with the shorts. Rosenberg has put out some hit articles on them. They've had, you know, tons and tons of investigations. So out of all of these 12 companies right here, that leaves you two opportunities if you want to roll with the SPAC king. Open Door Technologies and IPOE SoFi, guys. So this is where his Tesla capital has been brought to, guys. These are the two big plays, big disruptors that he's rolling with. And you already know, guys, I'm all in on SoFi. This is Chamath's #1 SPAC deal that he's all in right now. Some of you may not like LeBron James, but guys, look at this. LeBron James was blown away by SoFi Stadium, calls it the best stadium in the world. This just continues to go back to SoFi's marketing. If that word SoFi just continues to be spread around the world and targeted into people's brains, that is how they're going to continue to get users. People are going to continue to be more intrigued about what SoFi has to offer. LeBron James has 99 million followers, guys. These are the types of influencers that you want to hear pushing SoFi as a recommendation, as a high quality company. The stadium, the naming rights, it all fits together. Super Bowl halftime show set with Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, Kendrick Lamar, Eminem, and Mary J. Blige, guys. These are massive, massive influencers, guys. This is why I'm very, very bullish on the SoFi Super Bowl, guys. I believe we're going to see well past 100 million viewers. All eyes on SoFi Stadium, guys, with massive marketing push, tons and tons of commercials. Eminem has 32 million followers. He's going to be posting tons and tons of videos, you know, on his Instagram feed after the Super Bowl. Dr. Dre, 5.7 million followers. Kendrick Lamar, 9.6 million followers. So guys, you see now that I'm putting Anthony Noto's head on Thanos, and we all know Thanos needed the 6 Infinity Stones to basically become, you know, unstoppable, unbeatable. And that's exactly what Anthony Noto is doing right now. Right now, he has 4 of the Infinity Stones. He needs 2 more to capture all 6 of them, guys. The Infinity Stones consist of Galileo. They own Galileo now. They have grown up to 79 million users, expanding extremely fast. This is one of the top payment processor disruptors with APIs, guys. This is an extremely smart company, guys. I have a full Galileo video you can check out if you have any questions on their technology platform. The second Infinity Stone, SoFi Stadium naming rights, guys. 20 years of marketing, guys. This is like a $400 million deal. This is going to be nonstop marketing in the heart of LA, the most expensive state in America, California, high-class millennial crowd. The SoFi Stadium is very important to the marketing, you know, direction that they are headed. The third Infinity Stone, Super Bowl 2022, host 100 million viewers, Snoop, Dre, Eminem, the list goes on, guys. This is going to be massive, massive eyes watching, guys. When we talk about after the Super Bowl, you're going to continue to see SoFi Stadium, you know, the videos. It's going to be nonstop marketing for weeks after the Super Bowl, guys. So understand that this is going to be 100 million viewers. If SoFi lands 1 million downloads, that is going to be massive heading into their Q2 2022 report. The fourth Infinity Stone, 3 billion plus in cash with those, 1.1 convertible notes that just went through for 2026, guys. This is a ton of money to make deals happen. We're going to see some big acquisitions go through, guys. This is very exciting times to be invested in SoFi. And these are the last two Infinity Stones that SoFi has not captured yet. Options trading platform. This is going to be a Robinhood killer. They're going to go after Robinhood's trading fan base, get them onto the platform. Robinhood is already seeing a slowdown in revenue because they are so heavily invested on payment for order flow. Options will be massive, and I believe that's going to happen very soon. And last, the sixth Infinity Stone, the bank charter, guys. We could potentially see bank charter news in the next 1 to 4 weeks, guys. I mean, there's a 33% chance we could hear something next week and like a 50% plus chance that we could hear something in October. So this is why I'm putting Anthony Noto's head on Thanos, because Anthony Noto is building SoFi as an unstoppable fintech in the future with their marketing team that they have in place. And as you can see, guys, I have a heavy position in SoFi. I have another account with tons and tons of SoFi as well, around a $15 average. When you really look at that 1 month chart, you can see we're making higher and higher lows, okay? We had a bounce around 1450 and a bounce around 1450 again, and now we had another bounce of around 1560. That is why I put out that video pre-market for you guys yesterday to say you need to buy in on weakness in this $15 range, guys, because that was the gap that we filled, and we're seeing a bounce back right now. If we look at the 1 week, if we look at that 1 day chart, we are looking very, very bullish right now. Up 3.5% and up 0.30 in the after hours, guys. 1650. If this bank charter news comes out, we could run 30 to 40% or more. This is definitely possible. Tip Ranks has us at 48% upside if you decide to invest in SoFi Technologies right now, guys. That is massive upside. And understand that these 5 analysts do not have the bank charter included. The bank charter could get us to $35 plus once the news actually goes through, guys. We could be seeing that news any given week. It's very exciting times to be investing in the SoFi stock. And I want you to listen to this video, guys. Matthew Frankel, this is a Motley Fool analyst. He was buying in on Square around $11, just like he is doing right now with SoFi. I mean, he hit like a 20x on that stock. He understands disruption when he sees it. We're going to listen to this video and I'll give, my opinion on what he's saying.
Stock I own that I've kind of invested quite a bit more in since it went public is SoFi. Ticker symbol SOFI. This is short for social finance. This was a Chamath Palihapitiya SPAC. This was IPOE. I'm going to share my screen for just 1 second to show you why SoFi is my number one. Let's see
Number
if
one.
I can do it right. Can you see that,
Number
Jason?
one.
Yeah, it's hilarious because I was literally going to hit share screen and show the same thing if you weren't going to do it.
So look, these are the SoFi members, 2.56 million members. And the really key point to notice is that bottom bar, year-over-year growth rate. Their growth is not only strong, but it's accelerating. A lot of these growth companies, you're seeing growth start to decelerate a little bit now that the worst of the pandemic is coming out. All these tech companies got a huge boom during the stay-at-home economy, especially financial companies. They were doing the PPP loans. They were doing, stimulus checks people needed to move their money around and things like that. PayPal's revenue accelerated last year. So you're seeing SoFi's revenue continue to accelerate. Going through there, another thing to point out with SoFi Galileo, one of the things.
Galileo is one of the Infinity Stones, don't forget.
Most bullish things I have in my investment thesis. This is kind of their third-party platform where they provide infrastructure to other companies. 79 million user accounts now on that platform. A lot of people will tell you that Galileo is the main reason to invest in SoFi, not their financial services. A couple more slides I wanted to hit. So here's one that I used to be a math teacher. Jason knows this. If you look at the chart on the right, this is their financial services product, which is their big growth area. The one on the left is their lending products, student loans, personal loans, things like that. Financial services products are things like their bank accounts, their investment accounts, things like that. If I were teaching a lesson on exponential growth, that chart on the right is probably what I would use to as a real world example.
Yeah.
That is growing phenomenally well. 243% year over year growth.
It's insane.
The number of financial services products their users are taking advantage of has more than tripled over the past year alone there. And it's also worth mentioning SoFi is down about 50% from its 52-week high.
Oh my God. All right, guys, there you go. This is what I've been talking about for close to, what, 3-4 months we've been covering this. You need to subscribe to the channel because you're going to continue to be updated, guys. If you're in at these price ranges right now, understand that this still has 10x potential. Listen to what this analyst said. Down 50%. This fintech IPO has 10x potential, guys. This dude was buying Square 2,000% ago. This guy knows what he's doing. He's been with Motley Fool for over 10 years. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you guys. I'm going to continue to keep you updated on any given breaking news that comes out for the SoFi stock. This has 10x potential in the next couple of years, but I still see, near 3x potential into 2022. We will break over $45 by the end of the year, guaranteed, with their, crazy growth and crazy marketing that they have in place. Once again, my name's Kyle. I hope you have a great day. Be sure to drop me a like and comment. I will really appreciate the support. Have a good day.